Newly elected head boy of school Vansh Verma possesses a multifaceted personality, from being a NTSC scholar to football, cricket, photography, music, athletics, NCC, quiz. Vansh has participated and brought laurels. Congratulations dear and best wishes. The head girl Pariti Gupta is an active NCC cadet and enthusiastic sports person besides possessing varied interests like dancing, oration and reading. She was a school topper too in AISSC examinations 2018. She endears everyone with her innocence but at the same time possesses a rock-solid determination to excel in every walk of life. Shubkaran Bishnoi, the deputy head boy, has made all Bhavnites proud by representing Rajasthan PM's rally at the Republic Day Camp 2019. He stood fourth in All India Best Cadet competition. He has a long list of sports awards to prove his mettle. Heartiest congratulations, dear. The deputy head girl of school, Ananya Sharma, has a seemingly endless list of credentials. A remarkable orator, Ananya has innumerable certificates and prizes of debates to her credit. Her contribution towards the school environment club, literary club and editorial board is praiseworthy. Grace, dance, poise are the true synonyms of the newly elected Cultural Secretary Urvi Sharma. With a Visharad 2 degree in Bharatnatyam, to see Urvi perform is a pure visual delight. Besides dance, Urvi is an excellent orator and has won many certificates for her oratory skills. Bhavya Jain, the Deputy Cultural Secretary, is a budding writer with 2 novels already to his name. Well-mannered Bhavya has appeared for many school functions, open mic, radio shows and won several accolades. The Deputy Cultural Secretary, Anushka Kumar, has been a contributor to the school's dance club since Standard 9. Hence, her wonderful performances for various school functions have been a regular feature. Besides dance, Anushka excels in academics too. Heartiest congratulations, dear. Prakhar Marodia, the Additional Cultural Secretary, is an artist in true sense. He loves to work in unstructured situations and his imagination's stunningly beautiful artwork captivates one's mind from the moment you put your eyes on it. Prakhar has won several certificates in art competitions over the years. The Additional Cultural Secretary, Tanishtha Malpani, is a proud recipient of the prestigious C. Subramaniam Award and has been good at academics too. A courteous and well-mannered Tanishtha has participated in various inter-house activities and has been at the forefront of various cultural events of school. Akshat Goyal, the Joint Cultural Secretary, has a creative insight that makes his stage presence memorable, be it the unforgettable Mahatma Gandhi's character or any other performances in numerous Nukkad Natak. Akshat's confidence, energy and dedication is unmatched. Many congratulations. The Joint Cultural Secretary of school, Diya Lalwani, is an enthusiastic and compassionate student. The impressively decorated bulletin boards of school are a testimony to Diya's artistic abilities. Compassionate and responsible Diya is a member of the Interact Club and has anchored many school functions as well. Despite her varied interests, she never deterred from academics and passed AISSC 2018 with flying colours. Bhavin Singh is a quiet and courteous student. He has been an NTSC scholar, participated in BVBJ MUN 2019, various inter-house activities and other events. He is an excellent computer hand and truly deserves the post of Social Media Secretary of the school. All the best. Following the trait is the sports captain Aryan Jain. His commitment towards sports has earned him a place in the Rajasthan Royals under-19 team. He has proudly represented school at various district, state and national level competitions. Wishing you good luck for your life. Nakul Kaswan, Deputy Sports Captain, bears a pleasing personality. He has made valuable contributions to the school athletics team and has won several medals in the inter-house athletic events as well. Ria Sood is the newly elected Deputy Sports Captain of school. She is a passionate sports person and bagged several medals in inter-house competitions. An enthusiastic NCC Air Wing cadet, Ria also attended the camp for A-grade certification. We truly believe that these young leaders will uphold the values of the school and keep Vidyashram's flag flying high while discharging their duties honestly and impartially. Wishing you all